Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see what is source transformation and how can we use it. Here we can see that source transformation means an independent voltage source Vs and a resistance R is connected in series. Then we can equivalently replace it by an independent current source and a resistance in parallel. As we can see that here is a voltage source and a resistance which are connected in series. So we can convert it into a current source and a resistance in parallel with it. During conversion, we have to remember that the arrow of current source should be in the direction of positive symbol of voltage source. Similarly, we can see that if this type of connection of voltage source and resistance is given in which the direction of positive sign is below as represented here, then the direction of current source will be towards downwards, as the arrow sign of the current source should be in direction of positive sign of voltage source. Here example is shown in which a 10 volt voltage source and 2 ohm resistance is connected across A and B terminal and 2 5 ohm resistance are connected in parallel. So if we want to apply source transformation here, then we have to convert this voltage source into a current source. As indicated here, the value of current source will be voltage upon resistance, that is equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 ampere. So here current source value is 5 ampere and resistance in parallel, which resistance was given in series here, that will be connected in parallel to this 5 ampere current source. So this is the source transformation we can use in any circuit at any time if the circuit is linear for simplification of our circuit. Here we need to remember that source transformation of a ideal voltage source and ideal current source is not possible since source resistance of voltage source is equal to 0. So ideal current source value will be infinite if we convert voltage source into current source. And ideal current source resistance is infinite, so magnitude of voltage source will be infinite if we apply conversion of current source to voltage source. Now let us see how can we apply source transformation when a dependent source is connected in the circuit. So if a dependent voltage source is connected and resistance is connected in series across terminal A and B, then we convert it in a current source and resistance in parallel by keeping in mind that the controlling voltage or current source should be unaffected. So let us understand it by an example. Suppose this circuit is given to us and here is a dependent voltage source is connected and 3 ohm resistance is connected in series to this voltage source. And this voltage source will depend on this Vx voltage of 6 ohm resistance. So we can convert this voltage source into a current source. The direction of current source should be in direction of positive sign of voltage source. And this 3 ohm resistance will be in parallel to this current source. Now we have to remember that this voltage of Vx, that is the controlling voltage of this voltage source, should not be changed during our conversion. So here Vx voltage source is applied across 6 ohm resistance. So we have not touched this resistance during our source transformation. And now we can apply a nodal analysis for simplification of the circuit. Suppose this is node 1 and this is ground, and we can see that this VAB voltage is equal to Vx voltage here, as this is in parallel to each other. If we apply KCL at node 1, then this equation can be found out, and after solving this equation, Vx voltage can be found out as 6 volt, and this Vx voltage will be equal to VAB voltage. So here VAB voltage will be equal to 6 volt. So during transformation, we have to remember that we need not to touch the resistance during conversion, or we should not involve the resistance at which the voltage source or current source is dependent. So this is the source transformation. We will see more examples in our next videos so that we can explore more problems and its solution for better understanding of this source transformation. So see you guys in next videos.